Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School, CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 6, Decimals. We'll continue exercise 6D, simplification on the BODMAS rules, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we continue with the E1. 6.4 minus 4.6 divided by 7 upon 8 divided by 3.5. So according to the BODMAS rule, bracket first. I can solve this bracket also and this bracket also. So let's solve the first bracket first. 6.4 minus 4.6. So I borrow and I minus 14 minus 6, 8, 5 minus 4, 1. My decimal point, so 1.8 divided by, and I bring this down the way it is. Now I have to solve the second bracket, so this will remain as it is. Now 7 upon 8 I will divide in the bracket, fraction, converting the fraction into decimal point, 8 divided by 7. So zeros are 0, I cannot, so I will add a 0, I'll put a decimal point. 8 8s are 64, 70 minus 64 is 6, I'll bring a 0 down. Yes, 8 7s are 56, 60 minus 56 is 4, I put one more 0, and 8 5s are 40. So I got a remainder 0, so my quotient is 0.875. 0.875 divided by 3.5. I bring that 3.5 down. Okay, so now I will divide. Now to remove this decimal point, yes, I will do shift this also points. It will become 8.75 divided by 35. So again I go in my rough work column. 8.75 divided by 35. I cannot do, so 0. 35 2s are 70. 7 minus 0 7, 1 and 5. 35, let's see with 5, I think it should go. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. So 5s are 175. So my quotient is 0.25. So I will write it here, 1.8 divided by 0.25. The answer for this what we got. Now again I will shift this point and I have to shift this. So it will become 180 divided by 25. So again we go in the rough work column. Yes, 180 divided by 25. 25 7s are 175, and I borrow and minus, I'll get 5 down. I will add a 0 and put a decimal point. 25 2s are 50. So my answer is yes, 7.2. It's a big sum. Rough work is more, but you go step by step, it will be easy to solve. Further, 8.5 minus 4.07 minus 1.2 minus 0.9 of 1.6. So the innermost bracket first, and I will copy the other numbers as it is and solve this and get my answer. 1.2 minus 0.9. So I borrow 12 minus 9 3, it will become 0.3. Now actually this bracket has gone off, so I will solve the other bracket. 8.5 minus, now I will do it again, 4.07 minus 0.3. 7 will remain as it is, because if I put a 0 here, I will borrow 10 minus 3 7, decimal point 3.77 of 1.6. okay, now minus and off, so I will do off first. So 8.5 will remain. Now 3.77 into 1.6. 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42 plus 4, 42 plus 4 is 46, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and I multiply by 1773. I will plus 2, 7 plus 6 is 13, carry 1, 7 plus 3 is 10, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6032 decimal point after 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So 6.032. Now I will directly minus. Yes. So 8.5 minus 6.032. Now when I am minusing, the no zeros here, no numbers here, so I will add zeros and then I will borrow and minus. So 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 3 6, 4 minus 0 4, decimal point and 2. So my answer is 2.468. Okay. 12 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 10 into 2.5 minus 2. So according to the Brodmann rule, division first. There are two divisions, so I can solve both the divisions together. 12 divided by 3 is 4 plus 5 divided by 10. Yes, it is not 2. You are not dividing, you are doing it the other way round. So I have to do 5 divided by 10. So I cannot divide, so 0. Then I will add one 0 here and put a decimal point. 10 5s are 50. Remember students, it is 5 divided by 2, not 10 divided by 5. So it will become 0.5 into 2.5 minus 2. Okay, so now I will multiply and I'll copy the numbers as it is. Now 0.5 into 2.5. So I can multiply directly without a decimal point. If I do 5 into 25 or 25 into 5, it is same. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 125. Decimal point after 2 places. So it will become 1.25 minus 2. Okay, now I will add this. Yes, 4 plus 1.25 will become 5.25 minus 2. This I can do directly, whole number. So 4 plus 1 5 and decimal point after that. Now 5.25 minus 2 also I can do directly. Decimal numbers are not there, that means it is 0.00. So 0.25 will remain as it is. 5 minus 2 is 3. So my answer is 3.25. Move on to the last part, last sum of the Brodmann rules. 5 into 5.2 bracket 35.7 minus 5.6 of 12.6 divided by 4.2. So 3 brackets. So I have to solve the innermost bracket first. So the remaining I have to copy as it is. 35.7 minus 5.6 of. Now I will divide this. 12.6 divided by 4.2. I shift the points. So it will become 126 divided by 42. Now 42 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. 3s are 126. So of, I got the answer. So now the bracket has opened up. Now I will be solving this. So I have to solve 5.6 first. The other numbers I will copy. 35.7 minus. Now 5.6 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. So 16.8. Now I solve this bracket first. 5 into 5.2 plus 35.7 minus 16.8. So I borrow again. 17 minus 8 is 9. Again I borrow. 14 minus 6 8 and 1. So it will become 18.9. Now the bracket is solved, so no need of putting this bracket. I can add directly. So now again 5.2 plus 18.9. 9 plus 2 11, carry 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 8 14. 1 plus 1 2. So it is 24.1. Sorry, 24.1 and I will multiply. 24.1 into 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12 and my decimal point. So 120.5. So my answer is 120.5. 5. Okay, see the rough work and see the sums. Go step by step.